Good afternoon. Welcome to the Mathematic Park. So this is a maths themed game. So faster if you practice with lively examples.
Congratulations, you did a great job.
So it is made by all the three of us, and this took about 1 week to make. Good afternoon. Welcome to the Mathematic Park. So this is a maths themed game. So there are 3 levels and you need to pass each level to get to the next one. The first level is very simple. You need to guess any 4 shapes that are present within the park. They are very simple. As you can see, the basic shapes: square, circle, semicircle, triangles and many more. The second level is, this is a trapezium. You need to count the total number of trapezium that are present in the field. Hint, there are 4 trapeziums in one pot. You can use multiplication. So there are 6 such pots. 6 into 4, 24. Easy, isn't it? Third level, you need to find the number of rectangles in the whole park. So there are 6 rectangles in one bench. There are 6 such benches. So it makes 36, 38, 40, 42, and the base is 45, 43, and this counts 45, 47, and 49, 50, 52, and many more. And the bonus level is, you need to find a mathematical symbol that is used to find the area and circumference of a circle. The symbol is pi. Can you find pi anywhere here? Yes, it's right here. This is pi. This was our game. Thank you so much.
What were the benefits by doing this?
So it improves your on-spot thinking and it also improves your mental maths. So when you are put in a situation where you can find all the shapes, so you need to think fast, right? So it helps you, it trains your brain to multiply faster and also find everything faster.
So, in what way it helps us?
Yeah, in the same way, like when I tell you, you need to find, your brain starts thinking, what can I use? Can I use addition, subtraction, multiplication or division? Then your brain says, yeah, multiplication is the one. You can use multiplication. In that way, it improves your mental maths. In competitive exams, you can solve the equations faster if you practice with lively examples.
Congratulations, you did a great job. How much time did it take for you guys to do this wonderful park?
So it is made by all the three of us, and this took about 1 week to make sincerely, and to plan the idea, to plan out what we wanted to do with the park, it took us about 30 minutes because we had another plan, but then we improvised it in making it a game.
This is the evolution of rocket, which we students of class 9th B did it. We took around 1.5 months to complete this whole evolution of rocket project.
What did you learn by performing this rocket model?
We divided 10 students into groups and each one of them made a rocket. So we learned a lot about the rocket evolution and the mechanism used in this and the purpose the rockets were launched into the space.
Good afternoon, sir. This is actually the evolution of rocket from the year 1942 to the latest one, 2023. And the V2 was the first rocket which was launched in 1942 by the Germany country. And the next was the R7 which was launched in the year 1957 by the Russia. And the next one was the Proton launched in the year 1965 by the Russia. And next one is the Saturn V by the US which was launched in the year 1967. And the next is the CZ2F by the China which was launched in the year 1970. And next is the Space Shuttle which was launched in the year 1981 by the US country. And next is the Ariane 5 which was launched by the European in the year 1996. And next is the Delta Heavy 5 which was launched by US in the year 2004. And next is the GSLV Mk3 which was launched in 2017 by the India. And the last is the Starship which was launched by US in the year 2023. My name is D. Shishan. I am studying in 9th standard B section.
This is Mohit Kumar, studying in 9th B.
I am Chirag Bihar, studying in 9th B.
My name is Samajit Vivek. I am studying in 9th B.
This is Mithun, studying in 9th B.
My name is Monish, studying in 9th B.
I am Tejas B, studying in 9th B.
What do you learn from this by making the models?
We learnt a lot about the evolution of rockets and the mechanism used in each and every rocket and the evolution of the mechanism of rockets. from the first. In the V2, there were not many missiles and not much technology were used. Whereas in the current model of SpaceX, it is very modernized. So we learned about the evolution of rockets as said before, and it will help us in the future if we join any space companies, and we'll basically have an idea of what the rockets are and why are they launched into, and so thank you.
Among these, which one is the modest one?
To be honest, the GSLV Mk3 and the Starships look modernized, but the Starship launched in 2023 by the SpaceX is the modernized one, and it is into the future. So this is the modernized one, the SpaceX.
Who is your favorite astronaut and who is your favorite scientist?
I idolize Neil Armstrong as my favorite astronaut, and my favorite scientist is India's own APJ Abdul Kalam sir.